This is a place gathering a network of investors, business angels, corporates, institutions, and all the stakeholders of the innovation ecosystem, creating mutually beneficial connections.
There's nothing better than sharing your ideas, success, and problems with someone who's living your same experience. We aren't just co-workers, we are mates and friends, a real community living together day by day.
If you're hungry for growth, then you want to be here at LUISS ENLABS. Their team, advisors, community, and network have vast know-how. They will share their unique and extensive skills and experience with you.
Innovation is not a goal, it's a mindset. It's the ability to translate ideas into something that creates value. At LUISS ENLABS, we don't make innovation, we are innovators, disruptive innovators.
Inspiración,
Международный,
Friendship,
Roma,
Entwicklung,
Recursos,
La Pasión,
Mentorship,
Investidores,
Wow,
Mirai,
Crecimiento,
Tecnia,
Comida,
Italia.
Rakami,
Valor,
Musica,